What if the heart of a car could roar louder than its creator ever planned? In the 1990s, Toyota built the 2JZ for quiet reliability, not chaos. But racers discovered its secret: it could take endless punishment. Nights filled with screaming revs, illegal runs, money on the line. Every red line was a gamble. Every race, a war. The world thought the car made the legend. Wrong. It was the engine that made the myth. Pulled from junkyards, swapped into monsters. The 2JZ wasn't just metal, it was rebellion trapped in steel. Like and follow for more story.